Hello everybody, it's been a while. Welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick little grand tour of the new workshop as it sits right now. So this place is still a bit of an absolute mess, but it is getting a lot better. It may not look like it right now, but it is getting a lot better. So I've started organizing some things on the shelves, and I say organizing loosely there. Mainly, I've just picked junk off the floor and I've piled it up on shelving. How many of you all out there are with me on that one? I've got some fire extinguishers hung. I've also got some outlets run in the workshop. So that's been a great process to get that done, just so this way I can do a little less extension cording. Still highly in the situation of things being on the temporary basis with the electrical. And that's just, it's a building process over a long period of time. But anyways, I've gotten all the lights done in my shop here that I'm going to do so far. There are a few more lights that I have to put up in this space, about 3 of them. And then out in the new space, I'm going to put out some lights as well. But you know, that's for in the future, if you will. But yeah, I've got a lot more floor space now. Lot more open floor space. Still haven't done anything about the trough situation. I am going to install a floor drain there, and then I'm going to concrete it. As I said in a previous video, I'll leave a link to that right there, and you can check it out in the description down below. But yeah, so I've got a big long trough in the shop there. This used to be an old dairy barn, and that's where all the poo-poo used to go. So anyways, that's going to be going away soon. One of the other things I've got going on here is I've got some tool organization here of some of my longer tools and what's not, so it's just very easy, pop right back in. Great stuff. I've also moved my tractor, my little lawn tractor, if you want to get technical about it. I got it moved in to this side where it's supposed to be versus the other side of the shop that's supposed to be meant just for forging, and you know, so that's good. This area is just kind of like the garage / wood shop, and you know, that's been working out pretty good so far. Yeah, other than that, it's just been a lot of organization, a lot of organizing. Things are going well. I've got some racks over here. I'll come show you this real quick if you guys don't mind watching here for a second. I put up some of these like really basic hook things, if you will. They're called hang-alls. Just a V type deal, just to hang up hoses and electric cords and things like that. There's little things like that that make a huge improvement and a huge difference in a shop. Clearly, I still have a bunch of junk that I'm still sorting through that's in boxes that I'm trying to find homes for and shelving for and things like that. I am going to be putting up a lot more of that kind of shelf, and I'm going to be putting it up over here. I'm going to be putting it up over here. Sorry, you guys are probably about to vomit, but yeah, so that's going to be a good thing, you know, when I do get around to that. But yeah, so for the most part, that's the update for the shop. Everything keeps working out as it does. Hopefully, before next year, I will have most of everything out of boxes and on a shelf or hook or somewhere where it's supposed to be, whether it's in a tool cabinet or what have you. So that's the big plan, the grand plan, if you will. And I think it will get there in the long run. We'll just have to wait and see. So that's it. That's how much I've gotten done so far. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And oh yeah, wait, got to show you this. So pow, I got my pipe threader right where it needs to be, which is awesome. It's not just over there in stowage with a bunch of stuff piled up on it. I've done a video on this previously, but you know, it's a little rigid 500A. Great pipe threader, and there's going to be some fun we're going to be having with that in the not too distant future. And I say that now that I'm thinking about it, it might be a few months. But anyways, that's it. God bless you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support content like this, go check out our website at Blacksmith PDFs. Talk to you later.